Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. We're going to camping today. So, samahan yung adventure namin. There you go. Okay, so we're on our way na to our camping site. Nakasunod kami sa likod ng sasakyan ni Tita Rhea. Nasa highway na kami. Ngayon ay nasa likod na kami ni Tita Shet at ni Tito Jess. Nasa Deerfoot Trail kami. Daanan namin yung Cruz Iron.
Andres, ito lang kasi Bel.
Yan. Ano? Cloudy? Hindi masyado makita. Cruz Iron Hills. Yung malaking mall sa Calgary. Ang biyahe namon subong is going to Edmonton. So, we need 2 hours and a half to reach in our camping area. Hi guys, almost 1 hour na yung biyahe namin papuntang Edmonton. Charot. Edmonton. So, ang biyahe namin ay almost 3 hours to our camping site. So, naka 1 oras na kami. How's your driving, Daddy? How's your driving? Not bad. Yeah, we are. I don't know, where are we? We drove already 1 hour, I think. Yeah, we still need to drive 1 hour and how's our Google there? 1 hour and 44 minutes. Wala pa rin yung tagalip pa naka-red. Naka-red short. Yeah. There you go. So, we'll see you later in our camping site. Nada pa ho?
Canola oil.
Plantas ang canola oil.
Stock daw.
I think up ko. Oh my goodness. So, masasabi muna na sa outside, ano ka na, Calgary, pag wala na masyadong sasakyan. Tapos ito na yung view. Oh, diba? Di ba pa? No? Ayan. So, malayo pa yung aming lalakbay. There you go! Nandito na kami sa Red Deer. Okay, going to Lacombe. So, Red Deer, ang signage, Sylvan Lake. Diba? Ayan. So, there. So, ang garing area, pag pumunta ka dito sa Red Deer, patag. So, wala kang makitang mga mountain, Rockies. Mataas ang mga bundok na parang papunta ka ng Banff, Lake Louise. So, iba, kasi matataas ang bukid doon. Dito, parang nasa kabilang linyada tayo. Patag yung ano natin, yung dinadaanan natin. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Lacombe area. Lacombe country. Yeah. Mayroon pa kaming 1 hour left.
Manong nga picture at?
Tulad mo makarik ako. Ara na sa imo nga side.
There's cows.
Yeah, so we're almost in the camping site. It's 30 minutes away from the site. Yeah. Grabe na. We are sa Patag. Sa Patag kami.
Sa Patagan ng Lacombe.
imagine it. Do tubo. It's not like, it's just like an ocean. We're almost there. Oh, see that?
Huge.
Oh, we're almost there.
Oh, shit.
Look at that. Tito Eric is now in our atbang. They're so fast. Hindi man singgit. Pigeon Lake. Pigeon Lake. Pigeon Lake. Guys, abog na. Off-road. Kami sa Pigeon Lake. Check-in na sa Titaroya ng 5 sasakyan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4 lang.
Why?
No?
Kia no.
Ay, hindi gali sila ni Tita Rods.
Ah,
okay.
My wallet.
So there.
That's fine.
Ay, so we are now in the camping site. We are entering in our camping ground. Beach or beach?
Bitch.
No riding truck or
Or
boat.
boat.
Now here, E.
Ano ba?
E0.
190 rin ito. Ano? 190.
7 hour. Grabe, the best. This guy is unbelievable. Unbelievable ang bilis. Grabe, may aircon. May heater na, oh. Grabe. Ano yung tumutunog? Ang airbed. Ang airbed. Oo, doon tayo. Okay, punta tayo sa kabila. Bilis dito, Eric, mag-drive eh. Mga musta tayo dito kay Subaru Forester. Ang bilis nilang magtayo ng tent. Ba't hanggang ngayon hindi pa yan naitayo? Ay, yan. Yan. Ito ang mayaman kong friend. They hold. Oh. Anong problema mo, bakla?
Ito, gusto namin suksak yan.
Last time natayo nyo to.
Wala, di ba dumating kami, nakatayo na.
Ay, oo pala si Alvin.
First time namin magtayo nito.
Oh, tawagin natin yung sa kabila. Okay, rescue. Okay. Oh, tawagin natin sa kabila. Ito. Kasi basta mayaman, mahirap yan magtayo. Pre! Tawagin natin sa kabila. There you go, there you go. So this is our tent. It's like a house. Look at that. You see that? There we okay. We're good to sleep.
Mama, can I have this?
Yeah, and yung 1 cents natin dito.
Tanggalin mo na yung pwede pa ba yan?
Yeah.
Actually, pwede pa to kaya.
Ito yung hapunan namin, healthy living kami.
Paano ko, cooler ko.
For food for tonight. For the first night. Yeah. Oh, boy, this is so special. Among the all, Gibson fires.
Pinatay mo na, baka na masunog na yung anong yan.
Yeah, see, kaming biko. Meron spaghetti. Ato niluluto yung sauce. Tapos, ano lang sinastart dito? Hindi ko alam. Yan, basta ito yung food for tonight. Ano na kami.
Darn you. How?
So later, bayanihan. Ayaw niya siyang bayanihan. Yuko mo ulo mo. Bayanihan. That's bayanihan. Oh, there. That's for our tong-ets.
Mahirapan yung magtutokit eh.
Bayanihan. Ito na ang bayanihan.
Pre, mag-iinom.
Ayan, ang bayanihan.
Maganda ang pwesto.
Wala kayong sapin.
Malabong po.
Picturean natin sila.
Ano, walang masabi. Nagpo.
Kanino yung luto?
High-tech na kalat.
Kami nga binili namin. Ay, bagong bili yan? Oo. Every year, may mga bagong gadget
Pinabili ni pinabili ni...
Next year, RB na yan. Pwede ba bumili din kayo? Kakabili ko nga lang ng ganyan. Ako yung binuksan ko na, nagbuo ko na yung single na yan. Nakikita mo yung doon. Bago pa.
I-up sa bukid, walang papel. Yan, pahirapan yung pag-igib ng tubig namin dito. We are in the unserviced campsite. You have to be diligent sa pag-igib ng tubig. Videoin natin ang nag-igib ng tubig.
Oh.
At saka yung nag-ugas ng tubig.
Ma'am. Ato, dito.
Diyan na lang muna. Oh, there you go. Oh. There. Good morning. From Pigeon Lake with love. Yung ulam namin, masarap. Don't talk when your mouth is... Siya kalit yung sabihan ko siya. Kaya ka maharap na ulam sa buong mundo. Pusit. Pusit na mapait na. Kinait ni Tito Eric, pero okay lang. Because food is life. Tuyo. Diba? Then, okay, maaso kayo. Bubunfire kami ang aming sinangag na walang katapusan. Then, meron kaming bonfire. There. Then, mamaya, punta kami ng lake. Lake Pigeon Lake. Yun na, that's enough ng ako niya kwan for morning kwan.
I'm sorry.
Bye. Adi, say hi to my vlog. Hi. Ay, wala ka na talaga. Adi, again, baby. Hi. Thank you. Bye. Huh? Sana ganito lang ang buhay na walang utang. Walang utang.
It's part of life.
Okay, bye. Sungka ang mga Junakis. Sungka ang mga Junakis. There you go.
This is why I'm never winning. Cause you have to be. You go first. That's better. You have to be rock paper scissors. So if you want.
Morning. We're gonna go to the lake today,
What you gotta find
but we cannot find it.
Yeah, you don't have
Nagtalang
shit.
kami, nagtalang.
Mommy, I just said dumb as shit.
Lunchtime. Day 2 at Pigeon Lake. There you go. People are having lunchtime now. Day 2 at Pigeon Lake. Yeah. We're having lunchtime. Andres! Gago! Dito ka! Oh, yeah! Ano ka ha? Ari is sleeping there. There. And there. Everybody, this is our last day of camping here in Pigeon Lake. So look at the Junakis just woke up too. So we're going to prepare to clean up everything and we'll check out soon here. Good morning. So this morning, our breakfast in the camping is special lumi a la Ruda Leonardo. Yeah, man. This is a very special lumi with eggs, with fish ball, with paminta, And now there's sabaw na. Waiting for to boil. Is special. And we're finishing the woods for our farming because we're getting out of here very soon. Yeah. Very soon. Bayanihan portion again. Uwian na. One second. Look at them. Done. To Calgary from our camping. So did you find it? Happy, guys?
I'm going back.
We're going home now. Mga tsura. Place is Red Deer. We are in Red Deer, Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Dito si Maha Salvador nagtinir pagbata niya, di ba? Dito siya, taga Red Deer yan, mama. Dito sila nagstay sa Red Deer, Calgary, Alberta. Okay, so we are away from our home. 1 hour. 1 hour away from our home. So, tapos na kaming mag-camping ng 3 days, 2 nights and 3 days. Did you enjoy it, guys?
No.
Oh?
Yeah.
Yeah, why nobody?
Mama.
Yes.
Daddy go home.
Guys, Daddy's workplace. Yeah, we're home, Calgary. We're back from camping. Okay, dito na kami. Nakauwi na kami sa Calgary from Pigeon Lake. Unahan ng here. Andres, what will we say when our vlog almost done? Thanks for watching. Si Buddy kasi thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. We're home from camping. Bye for now. Bye. Like, subscribe.